Hello and welcome to YourPedia. My name is Aman Sharma and I am your mentor for CSC at YourPedia. So today this video is regarding the vacancies that have been posted by National Informatics Center NIC, and they have posted vacancies for 3 different designations. First is Scientist B, second is Scientific Officer SB, and third is Scientific Technical Assistant A. Now the vacancies in these respective designations are 71, 196 and 331. Now Scientist B and Scientific Officer will be a grade A and grade B gazetted level job respectively, and Scientific Technical Assistant will be a group B but non-gazetted. Now these are the vacancies that have been posted by the NIC. If you look into the eligibility criteria of these vacancies, you can apply for this job if you have a bachelor's degree, BTech in these following streams, which is electronics and communication, computer science, communication, computer and networking security, computer application, software system, information technology management, informatics, computer management, cyber law, electronics and instrumentation. After that, if you want to apply for scientific officer and technical assistant, then there are less amount of fields which are eligible for this exam. So the fields are electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, computer science, computer and networking security, software systems and information technology and informatics. Now the application deadline, the deadline for application will be 4th of April, and the application you can start your registration for this application from 4th of March, but the deadline is 4th of April, so you have 1 month to apply for this job. Now after that, the age limit. Now the age limit for Scientific Officer B is 30 for unreserved, and for SC/ST it is 35, and for OBC it is 33. For physically handicapped it is 40. Ex-serviceman will be as per government rules, but the least amount of age limit is 30 for the unreserved. After that, how to apply in this job? Now you have to go to the site, this site, and there you can find the notification, and there only you can apply for this job. The steps are: you have to register with your email ID, you have to submit your application details, and after that you have to pay the application fee. Now for these 3 tests, the application fee is 800 rupees for each test. So if you want to give all the 3 tests, you have to pay 2400, so it is 800 per exam the application fee is. After that, choice of center. Now they have given a list of centers where you can, from which you can choose where you want, which center is the nearest center to you, and you can fill your preferences in the form. Now application fee again 800 rupees. So for SC/ST and any reserved categories and women, there is no fee for this category, but for general and other categories 800 per application per post. So if you want to apply to all 3 of them, you need to pay 2400 for the 3 applications. Now for as far as selection procedure is concerned, for Scientist B, there will be a test, and after that, based on the merit, you will be called for the interview, and after that, after clearing the interview, you will be granted that position, and the ratio of marks for exam and interview is 85:15. So 85% of the weightage will be of your written exam and 15% of your weightage will be of interview. So, and for similarly for scientific officer, same criteria will be followed, but for scientific or technical assistant, you just need to give a written exam, and based on the merit, you will be shortlisted for the job. So there is no interview for the technical assistant job. Now if we go into the syllabus for this, what is the syllabus for this? So there will be 42 questions in the general part of the paper and 78 questions in the technical part. So general will contain aptitude, logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, quantitative and qualitative, and general aptitude. So it will be a normal aptitude type of paper for you will have 42 questions. For the next part, technical, you will have 78 questions, and this is the syllabus that has been given by the institute. So first is probability, statistics, and combinatorics. Now you have probability, statistics, and combinatorics here, but if you look into the previous year paper, you will find some of the questions which are from discrete mathematics also. So you need to keep that in mind, that they can also ask questions from discrete mathematics, which is logics, graphs. They can ask these type of questions also. Now the topics that are from electrical engineering, so digital you study in computer science, but it is more related to electrical engineering or electronics. So these three parts, electrical engineering, analog and digital communication, and digital logic, will be part of electrical engineering. After that, the next topic is computer or organization and architecture. After that, programming and data structure and algorithms. After that, compiler design. Now in this compiler design, they have only mentioned compiler design, but if you look at the previous year question paper, which we will be solving in coming days, in order to understand how the paper will be. So if you look at the question, you will find some questions that are from languages and from the DFA or NFA machines. So you have to also cover theory of computation. You cannot leave theory of computation and go by preparing only compiler design, because there were questions in the previous examination from TOC, and there also they have not mentioned theory of computation in the syllabus, but questions were there. After that, operating system, database is our next topic. Now next is information systems and software engineering. So it is a theoretical part. Software engineering will have some theoretical questions. After that, computer networks, web technology, cyber security, and cloud technology. These three topics are the topics which you don't generally study when you prepare for GATE or in your BTech degrees also. But the positive from this side is that from these three topics, the number of questions have been very less. The average number of questions have been 1 or 2 questions come from these three combined. So they will not have a high weightage, but you need to study, you need to have a little bit of understanding of these topics also. After that, for scientific scientific officer and technical assistant A, all the syllabus is same, except you don't have cyber security and cloud computing in the syllabus. But it will not make any difference, because the number of questions in cyber security and cloud computing are very less. But the rest of the syllabus is quite similar to the scientific B. The main difference is, in scientific B, the level of the question will be a little harder than the level of questions asked in this. If they are asking a question from algorithm, so in scientist B it will be little tough, and in for technical assistant, the level of question from algorithm will be a one-line question or a one-word answer type question. So this is all from this video regarding all the eligibility criteria as far as your age is concerned, your qualification background is concerned, and what type of what is the level of questions they will be asking you, and what will be the syllabus for all these three jobs. So in the next few days we will be launching a module specifically designed for 3 jobs, for these 3 entrances, that will surely help you a lot in terms of preparation and what to expect, and what will be the expected questions, or which type of questions you need to prepare in order to qualify this exam. So I hope you like this video. So keep watching and keep preparing. Thank you.